What's Easter without eggs? Here are 3 easy one-pan dishes that you can make for your Easter brunch. Watch this. Get a skillet nice and hot, add some butter, and then add your veggies. I'm using red and green bell pepper, some chopped onions, and then throw some diced potatoes in there. Make sure you soak your potatoes for at least 30 minutes before you throw them in there. Now it's time to add that flavor. I'm using that Uncle Dibbz straight drop rub all over everything. Let that cook for a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna add 4 eggs right on top. Make sure your oven is set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're gonna throw this skillet just like this in there for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove your skillet from the oven, and then come on top with that cheddar cheese, shawty. Throw it in the oven, just let the cheese melt just a little bit, and then this is what you get. Perfect dish for the weekend, and it's an easy cleanup as well. That's good, shawty. Coat your baking dish with cooking spray. Cut 4 croissants in half, place the bottoms in the baking dish, cover with your favorite cheese. Place in the oven at 350 for 5 minutes. While that cheese is melting, whip up some eggs. Pour your egg mixture all over your croissants. Top with some chopped spinach, and then for seasoning, we're using that Uncle Dibbz straight drop rub. All the flavor you need in one bottle. Place the tops of the croissants on top. Cover with some melted butter. Back in the oven for 15 minutes. Then this is what you get. That's good, shawty. For ingredients, I'm using spinach, onion, bacon, and some cheese. Grab 6 eggs. And here's a little tip. Don't break your eggs on the bowl. Break them on a flat surface to get a clean break. Then you're gonna wanna put your onion in, then your spinach, then your cheese, and then that straight drop rub, and mix it all up. Then grab a non-stick muffin pan. Fill up the muffin pan with about half a cup of the egg mixture, top with some bacon. Then go ahead and top it off with some cheese. Put it in the oven at 325 for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then this is gonna be the final product. All right, you see the final product right here? All the ingredients in one bite. Let's try it out. That's good.